Hello friends, myself Mayank Pandya and I am from Devom Technologies. Okay friends, so this is our second video session, okay, regarding the IT trending technologies, or we can call it digital marketing specifically. Okay, it is kind of technical and commercial, or we can call it as a techno-commercial subject, okay, specifically. So what exactly digital marketing is, how it is convenient from the traditional marketing which are existing, okay, what are the future scope, what are the job trends with this concept, okay, so all we will going to learn brief in this our video session. Okay, so let's proceed further. Okay, so first of all, the concept marketing. Okay, so there are certain things a company or people want to sell their specific product. Okay, and that thing should be approached with by communicating a right message to right people using the right channel. Yeah, but understand one thing, that is marketing is not advertising and marketing is not a promotions. Okay, see, let's understand with this example. See, if any some is a pen manufacturing company, like we are using pens like Cello, Reynolds, okay, etc. companies are right. So these are the pens. Okay, they have the various range regarding the product from 5 to 10 rupees to 30, 40, 50 rupees range, right? And they have the specific audience or specific customer range, right? Those who are going to buy these products. Okay, so they are generally a school students or college students, right? So they have the product available with their specific budget range. Okay, but still there are certain companies who are manufacturing pens which are costing more than 200, 500, and some of them are already in thousands and lakhs of rupees. Okay, so like the Parker, Pierre Cardin, Mont Blanc. Okay, so these ranges, these companies are manufacturing product, so it's targeting some another customer range or some another audience, okay, which are going to buy them. So it is all about the communicating regarding your product to right people using the right channel. Okay, and nowadays there is a transition from traditional marketing to digital marketing. So traditional marketing is, we can see that number of hoardings. Okay, big hoardings are there, small pole kiosks are there on electricity pole or on the roadside, right? Then we have hand bill distributions, using the newspapers. Okay, so there are, these are the certain ways through which the traditional marketing can be performed, in which a business want to sell their specific products, okay, with the targeted area or targeted audience. Okay, so this is generalized concept of the marketing. Okay, so what we are going to learn, that is about how the technology is going to change the marketing scenario. Okay, so now the digital marketing, we have like smartphone handy. Okay, so we have in our hands all the applications and social media platforms and other applications are there, right? So there are lots and lots of changes going to occur now, right? So that uh, one can promote a specific product, okay, on various social media platforms. Okay, so let's understand this in briefly. See, in earlier, like before 10, 15 years ago, right? So there are yellow pages book published every year, okay, in which there are certain business listings are there, in which you can find out a specific like doctor contact details or some shop contact details, some specifically professionals or industrial manufacturers suppliers contact details. So all these are available through the yellow pages, means we have to go like a dictionary product by alphabetical orders and we have to find out a specific person or business. Okay, but now these things are handy with using just dial sulekha.com. Okay, so the web based application and the mobile based application, both the platforms are available, and it is now very much easy for us, right, to contact someone or to get the services, right? The similar way, earlier TV was kind of YouTube for us, in which we can access number of videos and other things. Yes, of course, TV is nowadays available also, right? But there is also a change in television technology, right? Now we have the smart TVs available with the Android TV application installed, right? So marketing can be now reached to the all platforms, right? Okay, now it come the word digital marketing. The digital marketing is an like umbrella for the marketing of products or services using the digital technologies. Okay, of course, all these technologies can run using the internet. So without internet, it is not possible, right? But also including the mobile phones, display advertising, and other digital mediums. So you can see in the picture there are certain social media apps. Maybe you have know about all the names: this Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, right? So various tools are using nowadays for social media and digital marketing, right? Okay, so why we go with the digital marketing, or why the industry going from the traditional marketing to the digital marketing? Okay, of course there are certain benefits. Okay, without benefit, no one is going to adopt a new thing, right? So what are that key points that drives industry to move towards the or transition from traditional to digital marketing? Okay, so one thing is like higher revenues. How the higher revenues? First of all, it is the cost effective. So in traditional marketing, we have to buy certain material to like print our content. We have to make the infrastructure, like for hoardings we have to set up the framework, we have to make a bigger hoardings, okay, and then we have to use certain material and fix all those our branding posters with that infrastructure. So each and every things have their own costing, and then ultimately a product can be displayed. But for the digital marketing, it requires only a image, okay, and proper content that is elaborated in your image, okay, and all we need is a platform. So there are certain platforms available, okay, not we don't need to like pay for each and every platforms. Yeah, there are certain payable and non-payable platforms are there, okay. So through that it is very much cost effective, okay, and that can be targeted to the wide audience, okay. So for example, if like let's say the example of traditional marketing, so there is one hoardings in like nearby station or bus stand area, okay, so which is having wide people access, right, or large people access, so that your product can be visible, right, but that is only visible to that specific area. Those people who are moving around that area, they can see that specific banner, okay. But through social media platforms from anywhere, okay, you can promote your pages to entire city, or for a specific area, or for a country, or for entire world, okay. So there is no boundary, okay. Yeah, of course all these things are not freely available, we have to pay for that specific range, but at the end it is very much cost effective rather than the traditional marketing, okay. So in this, uh, brand can be promoted, okay, or brand can be built up, okay, using this digital marketing. So one can be understand using the various posts from the various different social media platforms, okay, or the digital platforms. So one can make their self a brand, okay. And so no, brand cannot be only built up by making some certain post, okay. They have to maintain specific social media accounts, a website that delivers proper contents about the business, okay. The search engine optimization and the backend is one more important thing, okay. So these are the various things in line along with the digital marketing, okay, so that one product can become a brand, or one company can become a brand, okay. Yes, of course a smaller organization using the social media platform also they can compete with the larger corporations, okay, with the area domain or state level or on a country level, okay. And of course you can see a real time results of your marketing and promotions, okay. So for example, if I am having one hoardings in a like crowded area, okay, so I cannot judge how many people have seen that hoardings in a day, right. There might be a 5 people who have get the eyesight, okay, and they might have read the contents which are there in the hoardings, okay. Also few people just pass through that area but they haven't seen that hoardings. So these things can be possible with the traditional marketing, But with the social media and the digital marketing, which is having a proper impression, you can have the real time visits, you can have the real time results. So how many number of people have visited your ads or your marketing, okay, that figure can be achieved, okay, at the end of the promotion day or at the end of the marketing day. Okay, so these are very much convenient platforms. Okay, that's why nowadays people are moving from the traditional marketing to digital marketing. Yeah, of course, traditional marketing is not completely closed. Yeah, but there is a now some sort of uh, lapses, and more businesses turning towards the digital marketing. Okay, now see the objective of the digital marketing. First of all, there are various points we need to discuss about. Okay, but we will go in brief on certain points. One thing is the market share, another is the brand recognition, brand engagement, customer satisfaction. Okay, so brand recognition is like you have continuously seen some certain products, or it is continuously keep in accessible, okay, using various social media platforms, okay, and promoted by various other tools. Okay, so that kind of a thing make a brand. Okay, there are certain, obviously there are many companies which are now equivalent to brand for anything. For like example, let's say Google. Okay, for search engine, Google is the brand. Okay, because of the 90% of the traffic for the searches, okay, that passes through Google only. There are Bing is also available, right? Yahoo search is also available, but they don't have that much of uh, crowd, okay, which turns for any specific searches, right? So brand recognition is one of the thing. For example, let's say customer satisfaction. So for each and every product, okay, that can be sell, okay, like say on the Flipkart, right, you buy anything, okay, so there are customer reviews, okay, which makes that product is how much credible or not, right? So that customer satisfaction is also be a real time. Yeah, it's possible certain they are making voluntarily changes also possible. Okay, but not every time. So genuine results are there with that ratings. Okay, so customer ratings is one of the thing. Customer retention, companies are trying to provide certain offers and other things so that customer cannot leave their brands or leave their platform. For example, Flipkarts, Amazon, all these are also selling various services so that people can be bind with their application only. The best example is the Paytm. Okay, like Paytm is initially only for recharges. Okay, now they have added very much other services also. Okay, so it is only a one platform. We can have the multiple things. We can book a movie, we can book for flight, we can book for bus, trains, we can book for recharge, we can make recharges, we can buy certain products. Okay, so they have the giant platform now available, right? So that customer cannot go on other application, they are uh, always available be with them their specific application. Okay, then customer lifetime value, distribution, of course margin product. Okay, so they have to decide a specific area, or from their business location to certain perimeter they can identify, or they can have to choose the specific target audience. So uh, on those people only the things can be promoted. Okay, so there is an option in digital marketing that can be described appropriately. Okay, not like a single signboard or hoardings on any location physically, right? So the people can identify, or they can view or not view, right? So these liberties are there in digital marketing, and of course, based on this market development, okay, promotion can be initiated. Okay, many of us are nowadays looking number of sponsored ads, right, on our social media platform, like either Instagram or Facebook, okay, or YouTube also, right? So companies are promoting their products. Okay, they have choose the some targeted audience. So either of us are following in that criteria. We might be following into that region. Okay, some bigger giant companies are also making market as a whole country or as a whole world. so they have the budget specifically, right? So they can promote their things on thousands and lakhs of people. Okay, so promotion is one of the criteria objective specifically for the digital marketing. Okay, then many things are there like differentiation, reputation, customer acquisition, business model. So based on different business model, there are certain different criteria for promoting their products. Okay, so certain things we are going further in one to one based on the social media platforms. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing, that is digital marketing tools. So as you can see, the number of icons like Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Google, YouTube. Okay, so all these are the digital marketing tools specifically, right? So in which companies have uh, to promote their product, right? So that they can achieve their goals, right? Specifically, okay, what is the goal? Okay, for any digital marketing campaign or promotion, okay, the primary thing for a company is to generate the leads, means to how they can reach to number of peoples, and that specific target audience may click on their uh, ads so that they can have the leads. Means for example, certain ads are there. If I identify that okay, someone is like uh, more relevant for my business, okay, so I go and click on that. So once I click on that, either I should be asked to fill certain criteria like my name, company name, email address, mobile number, and other things. So whenever it will be submitted, so that leads will be generated for that business. Okay, so sooner or later, some of the executive or guy from that company can call us. Okay, they have interaction and they can start selling their products. Okay, so one thing is that generate more leads. Another thing is increases of sales. Okay, so ultimate, when they can generate the leads, they can more focus into the converting into the successful sell, right? So all these social media platforms are nowadays more impactful in terms of the digital marketing. Okay, so okay, now move with the one of the important thing in this digital marketing. Okay, so that is the search engine optimization, right? Okay, we have seen that there are number of lakhs and crores of websites are available into the world, right? But only those sites can be you can identify or you can search into the Google whose SEO has been done. So search engine optimization is one of the uh, key technical point, so that can be leads any business to make their presence online. Okay, so whenever we enter any query in a search engine, okay, and whenever hit enter, okay, so we get the number of web result. Okay, that web results only following the what query we have inserted. Okay, so in which there are certain, like on the first page there are 10 to 15 web results are listed. Okay, so as a being layman or normal user, we are tend to visit the website which are on the top of the list. Okay, so how those websites can be on the top list among these crores of website into the internet, right? So behind that there is a search engine optimization. On behalf of that, okay, they can achieve their specific goals to be available and that specific search criteria on the top. Okay, so SEO is also one of the key career development program. Means there are a number of professionals required nowadays for search engine optimization, or SEO is one of the job profile nowadays which is generating more and more job profiles, right? Okay, so see like this, one of the example I can show to you. Okay, see this is either my business, that is Devam Technologies. Okay, so these are the mobile views and that I have taken screenshot and presented to you here. Okay, so whenever I click on search for this specific thing, okay, as I am already registered, okay, so whenever I submit in this, so I can see this view, that is Devam Technologies, address of my location, Google Map. Okay, my website, when you click on this website button, okay, so it can divert to my website, that is devamtechnologies.com. Okay, then certain things are also there, whether it is open or close, so many of things can be there. So that shows the presence of any business onto the Google, right? Okay, so this is the thing, like with name I have make search for the Devam Technologies, so that shows. But for example, I am searches the thing with some other keywords. For like in next image, you can see that cyber security training. So my company is providing cybersecurity training. We are into the consulting and IT services as well. Okay. So and we have the authorization of Mile2, that is US-based cybersecurity training company. Okay. So we have all the cybersecurity training portfolios available. So we have make all these things available on our websites. Okay. So whenever it search for specific thing regarding cybersecurity, so be with that keyword, right, it shows the searches. Okay, there are a number of other institutes also, other companies also listed over here, right? So entire list is there, and somewhere there is the Devam Technologies, you can see. Okay, with this screenshot. Okay, so these things are there. So whenever you search for anything and you put some keyword, there are number of other options and other results are also there. Okay, so that is the optimization, right? Okay, now uh, there is one of concept in this SEO that is known as the PPC, pay per click. Means whenever like let's first understand the model. Okay, PPC is for pay per click, a model of internet marketing in which advertisers pay fees each time one of their ads is clicked. Okay, so as I said you earlier, okay, any business can make their specific advertisement or post. Okay, and that they can circulate, that they can make it live in certain area with a targeted audience. So whenever it will be displayed on specific user account, okay, and when that user click on that, okay, for example on Google, if I make any ads or I'm having my Google business account, okay, and have I have put some certain campaigns. Okay, so some people who will be click on that, so after they can charge to me. Okay, or any business can be charged. So that is only based on the pay per click, right? So this is one of the model. Okay, so in which they can like business can get the visitors organically. Okay, so it is kind of this. For example, like see below in this screenshot, just the keyword have been put that pay per click PPC, right? So one of there are certain sites like speedppc.com or clicksweeper.com which are having this PPC as a word inside. Okay, so all these businesses or the website lists are there into the Google search on with the word of pay per click, right? So whenever we click on this any of the link, okay, and go with their any respective ad, right? So that businesses are getting charged from the Google. Okay, so that is the model of the pay per click, and respective things are also similar from certain other social media tools like Facebook, Insta, etc., right? Now, what are the advantages of pay per click? Okay, so it is the cost effective. Only business have to pay. So for anyone who have clicked on their ads, okay, not for other people. Okay. Another thing is it is more goal focused, highly targetable. Means you have to choose a specific target audience. Okay. For example, if I am having business on cyber security training, so what kind of people are my customers? Okay, so either they are engineering students or diploma students or BSc or MSc or BCMC students. Okay, so I am having my criteria fixed. So based on that, I can make a target audience. Okay, in which I put all these graduation program listing or number of things which are there in the user's account, right? So by these efforts I can choose my specific target audience based on the regions, based on the qualifications, based on the, like for example, colleges or other social media pages or groups, right? Then increases the brand exposure. Customizable. Okay, so you can choose specifically model like whatever you want to pay per day for this target audience, like 100 rupees per day or 200 rupees per day. So based on the amount any business can spend, number of people or more reachable they can have. Okay, and easy to measurable means at end of the day you have the complete insights. Okay, after your branding and promotions, and it shows the very fast results. Okay, so that is the core advantages of the pay per click model. Okay, another thing is that is SMM, that is the social media marketing. Okay, See, you can see the number of icons like Facebook, Insta, uh, Snapchat, Insta, Pinterest, okay, YouTube. So all these are the social media platforms through which people can connect with the audience with building the brands, increases sales, and to drive the website traffic. Okay, this also involves the publishing great content on your social media profiles. Means businesses are nowadays putting more and more interactive content on their sites so that they can attract number of people so they can visit on their sites, or they might get shown interest on their specific business. Okay, also they can divert this traffic to their website. Okay, see, on website also there is a, like, you can see the number of ads running on the various websites. So how they can get the ads? Okay, only because of their having the good crowd or frequent visitors. Okay, so all these things can be possible by having this multiple of social media promotions. See, the advantage of social media marketing is, one thing is brand awareness. For example, any new business come into the market, okay, and they want to make their reachability on a larger number, okay, so they can promote their things on social media platforms by specific by selecting specific target audience. Okay, so one thing for them is the to make the brand awareness so that people would know that for specific this company is now selling this kind of products, right? Another is more inbound traffic. Okay, so you can have the territory based business, or you can have the area based people which targeted audience is there. Okay, then it comes the improved search engine rankings, also the higher conversion rates, right? uh, Another thing is the better customer satisfaction, because you can deliver number of things through the social media marketing. Okay, so that customer having the satisfaction with specific products or as per their interest. Okay, and it also increases the brand loyalty and the brand authority. Okay, so these are the more marketing words specifically. So rather than me, an MBA guy can deliberate all these things more thoroughly. Okay, but as we are learning this specifically for social media marketing, okay, so all these things are also applicable on traditional marketing as well as on social media marketing. Okay, so how one business can make specifically ads or posts that can be delivered on the social media marketing, right? So one of the important thing is the content writing. Okay, not only the, yeah, of course sometimes images can speak more than words, that is the thing. Okay, but also an appropriate content is required. So even in the website, okay, whatever you specifically put on uh, your web pages, okay, that drives more traffic towards your website. Okay, so like content writer is a person who specializes in providing relevant content for the websites. So every website has a specific target audience and requires different types and level of content. Yeah, one more thing. See, there are certain business which are having a similar product, okay, but they have to make a unique content, because in SEO only that content can pass through which are having their uniqueness. If the content is copyright completely from another business, okay, it will cannot be successfully done into the search engine optimization. So that site cannot get the traffic through searches. Okay, so it is important thing to have a proper content writer so that the business can have a good SEO, right? And how the content writing are useful in that? So a brand or a business have to make certain articles, they can write up certain blogs regarding their specific business, or like business related number of blogs, then various websites or interlinking or hyperlinking provided. Okay, so in that the contents are also appropriate so that it can be easily searchable when someone is trying to search on the Google, right? Okay, then graphics designing. Okay, so when any business is looking forward to start their campaign, okay, one thing is required, that is the a good graphics and with having a proper content, right? As you see, these are certain ads or posts which we have designed for our businesses, okay, for like Devam Technologies. Okay, so these images are lively available on our social media platforms, either in Facebook or Instagram, right? So for example, this one is the new thing we have started, that is live online training of cybersecurity. So we have made this post, okay, in that you can see the uh, content, a design, everything is there. Okay, so what we need to do is we initially put this post on our social media platforms, all the social media platforms in which we have account available, right? Then we can go with the promotional activities, right? Means per day charges basis, or we can start a campaign for weekdays or 10 days or for a month. Okay, so that a number of people, so we can have the presence with a number of user accounts, right? And those who click on that specific uh, ad, okay, so that the lead can be generated, and our executive can contact to them, and that can be turned toward the sales. Okay, so number of businesses are doing with the same thing. So ultimate thing is the proper graphic designing, so that can like eye catchy for any user when they scroll for their user account, means social media account, when they scroll for their post. Okay, so your post should be eye catchy for them. Okay, so that they can go and click on that, and they can go inside and identify what number of things are shown with this business, right? And then they're going to click and submit a number of details what you require, okay, to make them turn into the cell. Okay, so graphic design is one of the important content concept for this digital marketing. Okay, see, this is one of the screenshot that is regarding social media campaign. So whenever this is the screenshot of the Facebook, as you can see the icon F is there. Okay, so in which the campaign details will be there, number of leads detail will be there. Okay, let me show you some of the running campaign from our businesses. Let's go to this. Yeah, okay, see, so these are the kind of on our page. So this is the lead center in which for any specific campaign what leads we have generated. For example, this one is the last month we have done this campaign. Okay, so the leads will be shown to here. Okay, in inbox, number of the user conversation. Sorry, my internet is not working, just a minute. Okay, so for any business uh, with their social media login, they have to configure a specific campaign, and with that campaign they have to put content specifically, they have to make appropriate graphics, and then they have to promote their campaign on any social media platform. Okay, let me connect with the internet. Okay, okay, now let me refresh this. Okay, so for example, what I'm telling you about this graphics and content writing. See, these are the graphics we have created for recent posting. Okay, that is for cybersecurity training courses, and we have highlighted two courses, that is penetration testing engineer and professional ethical hacker. Okay, so in which above we have made specific content like promoted the things. Okay, and this campaign have been started on 17 April. Okay, so with that content, okay, so see, these are the inbox in which users have clicked, like these people have clicked on the our ads. Okay, and they have messaged us, and there will be reply sent to all these users, right? And later on our executive have contacted them on providing their required information, so that by this manner any business can get number of leads, okay, and increase their brand value, as well as increase their sell which they are looking for their achieving specific goal, right? So these are the things for Facebook. The similar thing is for the Instagram as well, right? So Instagram is nothing but the product of the Facebook only, right? So similar content and post will be there for Instagram as well. Okay. Yeah, of course. One more thing I need to show you, that regarding the campaign details for Google. As I said earlier, that for any campaign, people have to identify the target audience, the area, and other things. For example, like this, from my business location to 24 kilometers perimeter, right? So I have promoted these things, and what the criteria set for 100 rupees per day, right? Specifically, so in a month it will be around 3040 rupees, right? Business information are there, number of posts which are already I have submitted. Okay, on the Google platform. So these things are also there in images section. Okay, what products or services are there? So it will show here like cyber security training, ethical hacking, penetration testing. Okay, so I think I have shown you in one slide that you like using the keyword cyber security. Okay, so with this keyword my business is associated, so that the home technologies will be identified into the searches from the Google, right? Then for example, how many number of people, like see, total 14,234 up to people it has been reached. Number of 77 people have been clicked specifically, right? Total amount of the spent for one lead. So all these details will be there. Okay, how your ad can be seen. Okay, also you can see like this. Okay, we can edit number of things using this edit button and go inside. Okay, so with this one of the keywords like cyber security training, so whenever people looking for the cyber security with this word on that specifically area, that business can be highlighted into the searches, right? Okay, the next thing is, okay, okay, let me show you one thing as well. For like we have discussed the term like SEO and PPC as well, the search engine optimization and pay per click. Let's see, if you want to know regarding any business, okay, what are their competitors, how many times it has been searched, okay, number of organic result, right? Based on their web pages also we can identify. Let's see, we go with your college or university only. So here I am typing the www.paruluniversity.ac.in, okay, and then analyze. Okay, so you can see that real-time data with that. So in the Google, more than 18, around 90,000 people have visited the sites, right? Or maybe with their certain post, right? Paid traffic, it will be there. 20 clicks per month estimated paid traffic. Organic traffic means certain people are sharing the content or with relevant keyword, like that's why the content writing is more useful. With your specific keywords you can have the a free of cost clicks, right? No need to pay for that. So this is the one of the good SEO you can say for your site, right? 6,510 clicks per month. Okay, that is with the organic traffic, means naturally uh, people are going to land on your website, right? So this is the summary by date, month, sorry, monthly basis. Okay, organic, like through which keywords it can be identified. Okay, so like all the PU students are having their specific login. So PU MIS login, Parul University placement, Parul Institute of Technology. Okay, so one thing is very important in the Parul University, the placement, because they are the I can say one of the best placement cell, right? So they are working hard for you guys, right? So this is one of the keyword for organic traffic generation, right? Then the Parul Institute of Technology courses after 10. So these are the keyword in which if people is looking for, they can land towards the Parul University sites. So these are the graphical representation of the data analysis. Okay. Okay. Now, who are the other organic competitors with this Parul University website? See, the College Dunia, Shiksha.com, uh, nic.in, College Dekho, all these are the other websites which are having near or similar traffics on their websites. Okay, so this is the specific summary on the graphical manner. Okay, and these are the web pages on the website which are having total organic searches, right? So I think which one is this? Let me click on this. Okay, that is paroluniversity.ac.in, right? So this is the like SEO and PPC analysis. This is one of the site globally available. There is seranking.com, through which only you need to is enter any website name, okay, and you can have all the details available, okay, and that is free to use content, right? Okay, now so moving back to our topic. So yeah, So we have almost discussed about number of things regarding the digital marketing. What are the platform to use? How we can make campaigns? See, this is the uh, very wide concept, right? And certain things cannot be I can deliver in a 1 hour, 1.5 hour video, right? But yeah, also of course we can do number of workshop if there will be request from the management end, right? So these things are there in future. Okay, so at present we are seeing the core concept of the digital marketing, how it can be done, and I have shown you number of samples of regarding Facebook marketing, Google ads, other things, right? There are various marketings like email marketing, YouTube marketing, other things are also there, right? So the one thing what I need to discuss with you, that is regarding a career making. Digital marketing is also having a good career options, right? For this also I can show you that yeah, for example, you type in Google that online digital marketing jobs in India, just enter to that. See, these are the jobs specifically in which companies they are looking for, like Rapido. I think you guys have seen the number of hoardings and banners for this company that is providing a cab facility for two-wheelers. I mean rider facility, right? Okay, just go to this Naukri.com page on a digital marketing job. Just click on that. So, okay, see the numbers like area wise. So in Delhi, the job posting regarding online digital marketing is around 6,144 in Mumbai, in Delhi, in Pune, Hyderabad. Okay. Based on Vadodara, also see that there is almost 170 postings are there for the job requirement in Vadodara location. Right? So this is not only the marketing thing. This is also one of the uh, uh, job building technologies, right? I can say. So people who are having a specific knowledge on how to promote the things, they have good knowledge on content writing, having some sort of good ideas to make graphics, right? So people can be eligible for the digital marketing profile, right? And it's also a good high paying jobs, right? Because businesses are generating leads and that can be turned into the sales. Okay, of course the people who are doing this activity can be have a good salary, right? So this is all about the today's session for online digital marketing. So guys, if you have any query regarding this session, okay, you guys are feel free to ask me. You can directly connect to me on my contact number, that is 9898754461, or you can send your message on devamtechnologies.com. Okay. So at last, I would like to thank the Parole University, because in this lockdown period, they are more focused to provide the latest technology and trends to their students. Okay, as previously I have also done this video session for you guys on computer networking. Okay, now we are going with this another video session, and also we are going further with number of video sessions, so that their focus is to deliver the student to be updated into the IT trends and technologies. Okay, so I appreciate that their focus and their will. Okay, and thankful to all of the stakeholders for this Parole University. Okay friends, so thanks a lot. Any query you can directly connect to me. Okay, so this is Mayank Pandya from Devam Technologies. Thank you guys.